BMW R18 is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement of timeless design blended with modern engineering. With its commanding presence and low-slung frame, the R18 pays homage to BMW's iconic heritage, echoing the classic lines of the 1936 R5 while embracing contemporary craftsmanship. Its exposed shaft drive, teardrop tank, and double-cradle steel frame capture an old-school spirit that instantly connects rider and machine to the golden era of motorcycling. Every detail, from chrome accents to hand-finished touches, reflects the artistry that sets this cruiser apart. At the heart of the R18 lies the largest boxer engine BMW has ever built, a massive 1,802cc twin-cylinder that delivers unrelenting torque and a soulful throb with every twist of the throttle, producing 91 horsepower and 158 Newton-meters of torque. It offers effortless acceleration and a commanding ride. The engine isn't just about power, it's about character. The raw vibrations, deep exhaust note, and steady pulse make every ride an immersive experience. With its exposed mechanical beauty, it invites riders to feel and hear the motorcycle as much as they see it. Riding the R18 is an experience that balances power with grace. The ergonomics are designed for relaxed cruising, with a low seat height that inspires confidence and wide handlebars that provide control even at low speeds. Whether gliding through open highways or carving scenic backroads, the R18 delivers smooth stability and precision. 3 riding modes: rock, roll, and rain adapt the performance to suit different moods and conditions, giving riders versatility without compromising the bike's classic essence. The cruiser feels planted, deliberate, and endlessly engaging. What truly sets the R18 apart is its ability to connect heritage with personalization. BMW designed it with customization in mind, allowing owners to tailor the bike to reflect their own identity. From exhaust systems to handlebars, wheels to seats, the R18 transforms easily into a unique expression of individuality. It's more than a motorcycle. It's a canvas for creativity and passion. The BMW R18 doesn't just take you on a ride, it takes you on a journey back to the roots of motorcycling while carrying you forward with uncompromising modern power and style.